Hello, and welcome back to Ask Your Pain Doc. In this channel, we talk about traditional and alternative treatments for pain. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting drug or medication called Ultram or Tramadol. Make sure to support my channel, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you get notified when there is a new video. Let's do it. Tramadol belongs to a group of medication called opioid or narcotic pain medication. It usually works in the brain to change how our body feel and responds to different type of pain. Tramadol has a specific indication for moderate to severe pain. Due to possible drug misuse, Tramadol should only be used to treat refractory moderate to severe pain if they're not responding to non-opioid pain medication like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory, Tylenol, and or muscle relaxant. Tramadol is a great pain medication specifically to treat diffuse body pain, muscle ache, and arthritic pain. However, Tramadol can interact with some of the medication, specifically antidepressant, and they can cause serotonin syndrome, which we're going to explain later. Tramadol can come in two different forms, the immediate release or an extended release. The immediate release will kick in immediately. It doesn't last that long. And as from the name we know, the extended release would last long, up to 12 hours. The half-life of Tramadol is about 6 hours, so we can use Tramadol every 6 to 8 hours. Usually the starting dose is 50 milligram. It comes in a 50 milligram and 100 milligram pills, and you can use it to up to 4 times a day. Common side effect of Tramadol or nausea, headache. So you got to make sure you drink plenty of water. Feeling sleepy and tired and dizzy. Usually patients get used to this side effect after a few days. Constipation, dry mouth, sweating, and also serotonin syndrome, which could be very dangerous. Serotonin can interact with a specific class of medication that's called serotonin reuptake inhibitor. So what it does, it will increase the serotonin level in your blood. So if you take Tramadol, Tramadol can also interact with that medication and can cause inducing very high release of serotonin in your body that could be very, very dangerous. Symptoms of sign of serotonin syndromes are including agitation, ataxia, or patients unable to walk, increased sweating, abdominal pain, diarrhea, severe headache, and also shivering. If these symptoms happen after you start the Tramadol, you should talk to your doctor immediately. Tramadol is not recommended during pregnancy. There's not really enough data to say whether Tramadol is safe during pregnancy. If you take Tramadol during your pregnancy, there is a risk that when your baby is born, become dependent on Tramadol. That means that the baby could have withdrawal symptoms from Tramadol when it's born. Tramadol can pass into breast milk in a very small amount and is unlikely to cause side effect in the baby. However, if you're taking Tramadol while your baby is breastfeeding, the best is to consult your doctor to make sure it is safe for you and for the baby. Yes, Tramadol belongs to a group of medication that called narcotic or opioid pain medication, and those medications are very addictive. For this reason, your dose should be reviewed to make sure you're only taking the amounts to need to control your pain. Your treatment plan may include details of how and when you should stop taking Tramadol. Unfortunately, with any kind of medication, your body can get used to Tramadol. That means that you need to take higher dose of Tramadol if you take Tramadol for a long period of time. Tramadol is a great pain medication if it's been used safely. However, Tramadol has a lot of side effects and can interact with many different pain medication and antidepressant, including the one that increase your serotonin level and cause serotonin syndrome. I hope you've learned something today about Tramadol. Make sure you consult to your doctors and have a conversation with him or her. If you have any question about Tramadol, please support my channel by click on subscribe button, turn on notification. Please send me your comments and feedback. I will see you all soon.